Hi guys, welcome back to fourth part of our 3D printed inspired build series. In our previous video, we assembled all the electronics to the frame and did the basic flight test. And as expected, these 1000 kV motors with 1045 propellers are not providing enough thrust for this frame. So I thought of upgrading to lower kV motors and propellers with higher pitch. So in this video, I'll show the motors and propellers I have purchased. We'll install them on our 3D printed frame and also do a basic flight test at the end. This is the package. I have purchased two pair of propellers and four motors. So these are 1455 carbon fiber propellers and each pair costed me around 900 rupees. And these come with very high quality material. And coming to the motors, I was searching for 750 kV. There are very premium motors from different brands, but due to budget constraints, I had to select 5010 motors of 750 kV rating, which are cheaper and of medium quality. So inside we get bullet connectors, heat sleeves, propeller mount, and some mounting bolts. And this is the motor. It's actually very flat but with bigger diameter. And the mounting bracket is same as our older A2212 motors. So it will be easy to mount on the same frame. This single motor costed me around 1600 rupees. And these are the specifications. So these motors are compatible with 2 to 6S LiPo batteries, 20 to 40 amp EACs, and can be paired with 14 to 16 inch propellers. Also there is a thrust chart provided which you can refer. With propeller mounted on the motor, this is how it looks in comparison with the older one. So now it's time to replace all our older components with the new ones. In the same way, I have installed all the four motors. Now I'll mount all the propellers. After installation, this is how it looks. If you guys have watched our previous flight test with the old motors and propellers, the drone was not able to take off because of very low thrust. And now, with the upgraded propellers and motors, we can see the difference. And this time, the drone is able to take off smoothly and can also fly. After a few seconds, it starts decreasing the altitude and coming down. Since I am using 3S LiPo battery, it's not able to provide enough current for the motors. As soon as the motors start drawing more current, the voltage drops and the drone is losing the altitude. So this can be easily resolved by simply using 4S LiPo battery. So in my case, I'm not planning to upgrade to 4S LiPo battery since I have the basic 3S 30 amp PSCs which also need to be upgraded, and all this requires more budget. So finally, to conclude, if any one of you are interested in making this 3D printed inspired drone, you can go with the same motors and propellers I have selected for this project, along with 40 amps 4S compatible ESCs and 4S LiPo battery, which will give you good results. So this will be the last video of this Inspire series. I hope it was interesting. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Again, we'll be coming back with a new 3D printed project series. Stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you for watching.